Hey guys, it's Rye here from Life of a Rye, and I just wanted to have a quick disclaimer that this
So as you can see, Rye with the two eyes.
is not a dinosaur. Contrary to common belief, that's not a real Tyrannosaurus Rex. Like, you see, what we got in Jurassic Park is a fake. That's not a real dinosaur. Trust me, I know. Mr. Beast just uploaded a video of showcasing more real dinosaurs like the one I featured in my video. Here's some evidence here. And I just wanted to let you know that Mr. Beast is a very credible source. It may say costumes in the title, but trust me, I have a source that told me the reason it says that is because the government wanted to cover up the existence of real life T-Rexes, so they made them put costumes so people don't panic and freak out. I mean, but why would you do that? It's a T-Rex. If you're going to get eaten by anything, you want to get eaten by a T-Rex, right? Anyways, just wanted to show that the T-Rex you see in Life of a Rye's video, Life of a Rye with two Y's, is completely fake. That was not a real T-Rex. That was just his pet cat. Really? He thinks we're gonna fall for a cat. I just wanted to put that out there. Pet cat, not a real T-Rex. A real T-Rex does not sound like the way it does in Jurassic Park. It sounds like what I heard. Because that was real. I know because I saw it. And made the video. So, I'm just gonna have to ask you to go to his video, dislike that one, the one with the T-Rex. Please dislike it. Tell him in the comments below that he's crushing little kids' dreams by showing a fake T-Rex. Like, what kind of a monster would do that? Honestly. Horrible. And flag the video, report it to YouTube saying he's showing fake stuff. Like, honestly. That's just messed up. Nobody lies on their YouTube channel except for him. So, I also have a petition going around to completely ban this guy from YouTube. If you want to sign that petition, please let me know about it. I will let you sign it. We can get this guy off of YouTube for good. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video I have for you after I have like this 3 minutes. This like takes up half the video. Who am I kidding? But it was worth it. We're going to get this guy gone. He can be gone for good. Remember, my T-Rex, real. His T-Rex, completely fake. It didn't even roar. Like, real T-Rexes roar, man. You could at least get that right. Oh, on to the rest of the video. What's up, guys? Life of a Rye here, and I got ants crawling all over my camera, so I got to do this quick. Today, I've got some amazing life hacks to show you. So, I'm going to start right off with this, and this is absolutely insane. You're not going to believe this. So, got here a Nerf gun that is in need of some repairs. Now, I'm going to show you how to instantly fix this, or something like this. Like, this works with any item, like a phone, TV, computer, game console. It works with absolutely anything. So, to start off, you want to take this, just throw it on the ground, and this is the real kicker. So, you probably have these in your backyard somewhere, unless you're like Rye and have other Rye with two Y's, and you have a completely paved backyard with a pool. Which, what kind of loser has a backyard like that? Honestly, unsubscribe from that guy. And you take your fixing device right here. It's pretty good right here. Like, and there you go. Here, I'll go ahead and show you. You've like, that looks fixed to me, honestly. Like, you don't get any more fixed than that. Like, here, I'll show you a demonstration. Just hold up. gotta set that right back there. And then this gun right here. Like, hold on. Minor technical difficulties. Won't work. It won't work. Stupid piece of garbage. Yeah, that was a failed attempt. We'll try it with another gun. So, lucky for you guys, I come prepared. We got another one. This piece of garbage hasn't worked in years. Let's try it. I'm gonna go get my rock. Just hold on for a while. I'll be right back. So I got the rock, or the fixing tool, yeah, fixing tool, and we're gonna be testing it. So, here's the little piece of garbage right here. We're gonna fix it. And now, see, good as new. You can even like reload it like normal. Are you kidding me? Piece of garbage didn't work either. Well, I mean, you can try it with this gun. It's my favorite gun that shoots far. I don't want to break this thing. I mean, fix it, because it's fine. There's nothing wrong with this one. So, guess we can't fix it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video, I guess. If you found this life hack helpful at all, please tell me down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. If this video gets 17 likes, I will be fixing a PlayStation 4 with this. So be sure to smash that like button like I did with these Nerf guns to fix them, and subscribe to the channel. Go down to the link in the description to Life of a Rise latest video. Dislike it, flag it, say something rude in the comments. Don't really do that, guys. He's a cool guy, my friend. And I'll see you guys in the next one.